The Medical and Dental Council issued a release early in the month of June calling for the cooperation of pharmacists and pharmacies to follow strict procedures when processing prescriptions from registered medical practitioners only. A list of registered physicians was also published. Minister for Health Nicholas Steele said he is in full support of the decision taken by the council.
The license is part of the tools of the trade of a doctor. He or she must have that in order to conduct the business of their trade, medical practitioner. It is not the responsibility of the employer, it is the responsibility of the individual. In fact, as I said, they can only, technically, should only submit themselves for employment if and when they are licensed and registered.
GBN understands that a number of doctors will be affected by this newly enforced regulation. The health minister said the law was not enforced in the past due to the fact that the council was non-existent. He said now that the council is fully functioning, government will no longer be responsible for issuing medical licenses.
There was not the existence of a council. And the council came into existence, I think, some 5 years or more ago. And prior to that, it would have been the government that would have licensed and registered doctors. In the same way now, in following normal, acceptable trends, the licensing and registration for nurses is ceded to the council. The licensing and registration for doctors is ceded to the medical council as well. They do the enforcement. No nurse can practice. No nurse can practice in Grenada unless they are licensed and registered with the council, nursing council, and that is the obligation of the nurses. I would assume that the council, medical council is doing the same thing, and we support them with that no doctor can practice in Grenada unless they're registered and licensed with the council.
GBN contacted 2 medical doctors who will be affected due to the fact that their names are not on the sanctioned list. However, they declined to comment on the matter. Colin Campbell, GBN News.